Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to send an email using Gmail. Whether you are new to Gmail or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial will make it super easy. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Gmail app installed on your phone. You can find it the Google Play Store or the App Store. Once downloaded, open the app and log in with your Google account. Now, once you are inside the Gmail app, look at the bottom right corner. You will see a pencil icon with Compose. Tap on that to start writing a new email. In the To field, type the email address of the person you want to send the email to. If you want to send the email to more than one person, you can add multiple addresses separated by commas. You can also use CC or BCC for sending a copy of the email to others. Next, enter a short and clear subject. This is the title of your email, so make it specific like meeting reminder or project update. Then, in the large text box below, type your message body. This is where you write the main content of your email. If you want to attach a file like a photo, PDF or document, tap the paperclip icon at the top. From there, you can select files from your phone to include the email. Once you have finished writing your email, double check everything and make sure the email address is correct and the message looks good. Finally, tap the send button, which looks like a small paper airplane in the top right corner. And that's it, your email has been sent successfully. And that's how you send an email on Gmail step by step. Super simple and quick. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more easy tech guides.